We are living on a planet as we have another one to go to. Hello and welcome to my video. I am Kavya Patel from HM Patel English Medium School, studying class 9. My topic for video is global warming, one of the most discussed topics since long. Global warming refers to gradual increase in overall temperature of Earth's atmosphere, generally attributed to greenhouse effect caused by increased level of carbon dioxide, CFC, and other pollutants. A greenhouse gas is a gas that absorbs, emits radiant energy. It causes greenhouse effect on planet. The primary greenhouse gas in Earth's atmosphere are water vapor, CO2, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. Without greenhouse gas, the average temperature of Earth's surface would be 18 degrees Celsius. Effects of global warming. Human activities since beginning of industrial revolution have produced 45% increase in atmospheric concentration of CO2. Global warming stresses ecosystem through temperature rise, water shortage, increased fire threats, drought, weeds and pest invasion, insect storm, increasing ocean water, melting glaciers, early slow melt, and drought will cause more dynamic water shortage and increased risk of fires. Most of greenhouse gases are produced due to consumption of fossil fuels. Some of main gases that are causing global warming are carbon dioxide, methane, sulfur, and nitrous oxide. Main cause of global warming is hole of ozone layer. Due to chlorofluorocarbon in stratosphere, scientists have predicted that an area above continental of Antarctica has a huge ozone hole. In 1985, using satellite balloon and surface station, a team of researchers had discovered a patch of ozone in upper stratosphere. The ozone layer is layer in atmosphere which protects Earth's surface from harmful ultraviolet radiation coming from sun. When this ozone layer gets depleted, the living being on planet Earth is exposed to UV rays. This can cause harmful effect on human cycle and very extensive of our planet. Depletion causes certain type of skin cancer, eye problem, immunodeficiency disorder. Protection of ozone layer. Avoid consumption of gases dangerous to ozone layer. Minimize use of cars. Don't use cleaning products that are harmful to environment and to us. Maintain air condition as their malfunction cause CFC to escape into atmosphere. Monterey Protocol in 1987 to address destruction of ozone layer, international community established Monterey Protocol on ozone depleting substance. It was first international treaty to be signed by all countries of world. Objective was to cut down production and consumption of ozone depleting substance in order to reduce presence in atmosphere and thus protect Earth's ozone layer. World Ozone Day. World Ozone Day is celebrated on 16 September every year since 1995. The theme for this year is A Healthy Atmosphere, the Future We Want. Ozone is a molecule formed by 3 atoms of oxygen. The UV radiation split apart some molecular oxygen into free oxygen atoms which then combine with the molecular oxygen to form ozone. The ozone layer contains less than 10 parts per million of ozone gas, while the average ozone concentration in Earth's atmosphere as a whole is about 0.3 parts per million. The main cause of ozone depletion and ozone hole are CFC, chlorofluorocarbon, LCFC, etc. And there are also referred as ozone depleting substance. When chlorine and bromine atoms come into contact with ozone in the stratosphere, they destroy ozone molecules. One chlorine atom can destroy over 1 lakh ozone molecules. Before it is removed from the stratosphere, ozone can be destroyed more quickly than it is naturally created. Earth without ozone is like a house without a roof. Father is the ozone layer for us, which protects us from harmful things and gives us all the imperative things. It is only by our mistakes and childish behavior which harms the protective layer. Be a part of the solution, not a part of pollution.